So start off by pinning or basting your pleats in place. You also want to mark the start and stop of your stitching, how high, how long it goes, and the left and right should be exactly the same. Then give yourself a knot on the bad side or the wrong side of your garment and slip stitch down both sides. Do one side at a time. You don't want the sides of your pleats to get misaligned, so just do one side at a time. And see how tiny I'm doing these stitches? They should be little micro stitches going through the fold and then picking up a piece of the center of your fabric. After you've done both sides, you can go back and do a whip stitch, a really small whip stitch, just to complete it and keep both sides very tight and snug together. This should be done if you have any gapping, but be careful that your fabric isn't too loose of a weave because it will sort of degrade the weave of your fabric.